I'm Jim Owens, and I'm the President and Chief Executive Officer of CARCO. We're in the background investigation and security space. We have about 300 employees. We're using a lot of different services from both NetApp and VMware. We're a very early adopter. We were using NetApp probably back in 2004. We started with NetApp first. We needed it to support very large volumes with millions of files because we store images and pictures here as part of our business. We brought in VMware through an early virtualization initiative. These two companies, for what I regard is a very reasonable price point, allow a company our size to do what really only very big companies were able to do in years past.
The integration is so seamless that when we started looking into what are the other options that are available, there was nothing that really melded as well as the two of them. It literally seemed as though that they were built to work together with each other like nothing else. NetApp was really the crux of what made virtualization available for us. CARCO has actually fully virtualized email as well as spam filtering. We virtualized SQL completely.
Our reliability, once we implemented VMware, actually went way up. We found that virtual machines running within the VMware environment are actually more reliable than their physical counterparts. When you implement VMware on top of NetApp, not only do you get a more reliable storage environment than you can get from, say, local RAID on the hosts, you get a higher performance. If you were to take every one of those virtual machines and create a discrete server and then compute the amount of power that it would take to run those things, we're saving about $150,000 in power a year. That doesn't take into account the storage savings, the maintenance costs of the physical boxes, all the service contracts on the physical boxes. We're probably saving $500,000 a year with the implementation of NetApp and VMware. And for a business our size, that's a significant number.
VMware and NetApp have basically allowed CARCO to take the next step. We're able to offer services to clients that a lot of other companies haven't been able to because they're stuck in the physical realm. We've invested in NetApp and VMware that we can literally scale 2 times where we are right now from an IT perspective without having to add any more infrastructure.
We see the VMware evolution, the NetApp evolution as critical to us being able to scale our business in the future.